everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you all. I'm going to be showing you guys my top 15 beauty products. Number 1 is this face mist. It's actually by Thayer's Natural Remedy since 1847. Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula alcohol-free toner facial mist in rose petal. This is what it looks like. I use this every single day, you know, after I wash my face, after you do a facial mask. I use it as a setting spray, and I use it just to give myself a fresh refresher when I do my makeup throughout the day. So this is a good one. As you can tell, I've used it up. I have just a little bit left, and this is a must-have. Number 2 is this bronzer that I wear when I do a contour, and it's by Tarte Cosmetics. This one is in the color Tan Sand, and what I like about this product is that it does have the net here, so you're not losing so much product when you're using your brush. And this color is so beautiful. I have like that natural tanned look that I get from just using this. So I recommend this. This is Tarte and Tan Sand, and this is number 2. Number 3, I have the Urban Decay Moondust palette. This is a total must-have as well. If you haven't gotten it yet, ladies, go out there and get it. This is by Urban Decay. Like I said, the colors are so metallic and glittery. I know the camera is not doing its justice, but I did do a full review on this palette. It's all listed on the description box below, the link to that video if you guys want to check that out. I do a full swatch and everything. This palette is completely amazing. I use this palette for every single eye makeup look, and I just absolutely love it. Number 4, this foundation is bomb.com for coverage. It's the, I don't know, I can never say it. Infallible, and I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's Infallible by L'Oreal Paris. It is a 24-hour lock type of foundation. It does full coverage, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This is one of the best foundations that I've been using and that I've been loving lately. So this is also, I believe, is a must-have, ladies. If you're interested to look for a new foundation, this is something that maybe you might want to go and give it a shot. This one is 24-hour. This one gives you a radiant finish, normal for normal to dry skin. And it's hydrating. So this is just a radiant Pro Glow foundation. I did have the Pro Matte foundation, and that one was really, really good. So I had to go back, and I bought this one. I'm running out. I'm very, very low. I mean, I'm to the point where I actually cut them with scissors on the top, and I try to scoop out the remainder so I don't lose any product, because I love this foundation. So I went back, and I purchased this one just to give it a shot. This one is the Total Coverage. It is 24-hour. It's natural looking. I have it. This one I have it on today. I found that with this one, you cannot use a makeup sponge. You're gonna have to use a brush or a foundation brush for this particular foundation because it's kind of thick consistency, but it's a good one. This one, you're gonna have to, you can use a makeup sponge or a brush. I normally like to use a brush, and then I use a makeup sponge. I normally use like a makeup sponge to really press it against my skin. So this one's a good one. Number 5, I would consider this to be a beauty product according to me. It's Visine Total Itty. Dude, that's hard for me to say. Visine Total Itty. Visine Total Itty. God, I had a hard time saying that. It's multi-symptom relief lubricant for redness of the eyes, but this is an overall redness relief. Like, it makes the redness go away. Burning relief, watery eyes, itchy eyes, gritty eyes, dry eyes, and irritated eyes. I mean, this is a cover-all. I would hate to do a full face of makeup and then have tears running down my face because I'm allergic to something around me or anything like that. So I normally apply just a couple drops before I do my makeup so that I don't have any teary eyes, especially with the spring and summer. This is a must-have as well, and this is in my makeup bag, and it goes with me everywhere. Number 6, it's the Buxom lip gloss. And this one is in the color Sophia. And this one is really, really good. I love Buxom lip glosses. It is a plumper. And this is just like a really nudie pink color. Natural looking. And what I like about this, like I said, it does have plumping effect. So these retail for about $20 on its own. You can find these at Sephora, Macy's, or whatever retails that sell this product. Number 7 is this Cargo HD translucent powder. This one is in Picture Perfect translucent powder by Cargo Cosmetics. This is amazing, just simply amazing. The finish that it gives your face is absolutely stunning. It gives you a flawless face look. That I don't even use this because I don't want to waste it. I only use it whenever I go out or go to a party or go to a special event is when I actually use this. Again, it has that net that I love because you don't waste so much product. But this is such a good product. Cargo HD translucent powder. You can probably get this at Sephora. I don't know where you can get this, but I'm sure you can Google it. I got it as a gift and I love it. It's completely amazing. Number 8, I have Jordana Complete Cover Maximum Cover 2-in-1 Concealer and Foundation. I use this for concealer to contour, and I love it. You get complete coverage for under eyes and hiding a lot of imperfections of your face. And this you can find at Kmart. You can find this at the local drugstore that carries Jordana brand, but this is a favorite of mine. And this one, is there a number? This one's number 04 Natural Beige. And this is definitely a must-have. I'm going to have to order this online because I'm almost low. And this is bomb. Number 9 is my perfume. I have 2 different ones because I like to smell 2 different ways for certain occasions. I don't know, I'm kind of weird like that. But this one is Jimmy Choo. This smells really, really elegant. It smells super clean. I love it. It's so good. I love this perfume. It smells very fresh, very clean, very floral. And it smells very elegant and pretty. And then I have, which is my ultimate favorite, I've been using this since high school, the DKNY Be Delicious Apple perfume, and it comes in an apple-shaped bottle, which is super cute, and the button's up here, and it just missed from there, and it's just adorable packaging. But these are my 2. This is for like every day, if I'm gonna go to the park, if I'm gonna go run errands, this is what I use. But if I'm gonna go out to a birthday party or a special event or anything like that, is when I pull this one out of my purse. So these are my total go-tos whenever I need to smell pretty. Number 10 is my turmeric mask that I made last night. I don't want to show you guys the label because it's not, I actually put it in this specific container, but this is amazing, amazing, amazing. I am so glad I found the turmeric ingredients or the formula to make the mask. If you guys want to see how I did that, make sure you guys go down to this description box below or check the previous video that I downloaded before this one, and you're going to find it there. I completely recommend the turmeric mask. So this is my go-to mask for now. So I love it. Number 11 is my Too Faced Eyeshadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. This stuff works very, very good. I don't have any issues or problems with my face ever having any, I mean, not my face, but my eyeshadow creasing or my eyeshadow not having good blending. This is such a good primer and I totally recommend it. And this is Too Faced 24-Hour Eyeshadow Insurance Primer. Number 12 is Pomada de la Campana, or is Dr. Bell face ointment or skin ointment, but I use this for my face. This is what it looks like. I apply this as a moisture mask whenever I feel that my face needs it. It does have its benefits. If you haven't heard of this, and if you guys are looking for something good to moisturize, this does smell like a medicine though. Nothing menthol, but it does smell like medicine. It's Dr. Bell Skin Ointment. Softens and soothes skin. apply 2 to 3 times daily to moisturize the skin, but I use it as a facial moisture mask. I apply it all over my face and I leave it kind of thick, and I'll watch, you know, my favorite shows, you know, the Golden Girls, or I'll put whatever's on TV that I love to watch, and I will leave it there for a good hour, and then I will just wipe it off with a wipey or just a plain piece of tissue, and then I just let it sink into my skin, and I don't wash it off afterwards. But it has been really effective. When I was using this, I swear to you that a lot of my imperfections began to... When I started using this, my imperfections began to get so much better. I started including my acne. But when I stopped using this is when everything came back. I feel like my acne came back and everything. But this, I don't know what is in this ingredients. I know zinc is one of them. Zinc oxide, liquid paraffin, allantoin. I don't know what these ingredients are, to tell you the truth, but whatever's in it, it works really well with my face. If you're looking for a good moisturizer or a moisture mask, I would recommend this. This has been around forever. My mom's like, you know, that has been around forever. Like, she's known this since she was a little girl. So I do know that the formula must be great if this been around, because it's still in the market and now you can find it at Walgreens. Number 13? Is it 13? Yeah, number 13 is this Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. These are the colors. This is my go-to palette besides my Moondust palette. This is something that I always reach out for. And as you can see, the colors already hit pan. But the colors are very, very pretty, and I've been into this type of look lately. Very natural, neutral look, you know, something that is very pretty. I don't like to go over the top anymore, because if I wanted to, it would. But this has been, you know, like this kind of look is like, can't talk. This kind of look is easy too, like if you're on the go, but you want to look, you know, not so overdone, but done. This look is very easy to do. And I reach out for this palette. And, you know, I don't even do eyeliner anymore. I do the eyeshadow liner like I featured in one of my first makeup tutorial. I'll also link that in the description box if you're interested to see that, how I do my eyeshadow. But this is such a really good palette. These eyeshadows blend so well. It's amazing. I mean, this stuff is good. The brushes are good from Sigma. The eyeshadows are good for Sigma. I haven't tried anything else, but I totally recommend Sigma in general, and the eyeshadows are so blendable and they're so smooth, they're like butter. Number 14, I'm so excited to show you guys this product because it's new out in the market. It's Allure Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade number 10 Dark Brown. I no longer use Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a good alternative. It comes with a spoolie brush in one end, and it's dark brown from the other end. It is a pencil, and it goes really good on the eyebrows. Very smooth, very easy. Like, it's amazing how easy this product is to use on the eyebrows. Like, again, like I said, it's like butter. I have it on my eyebrows today. It's so easy. I no longer use Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a little bit more expensive, but if you're looking for a good alternative to do your brows and look flawless, I would choose this. You can find this at Target. I got it at Target. And if you ladies are eyebrow girls, eyelash girls, you guys know Allure is an eyelash brand. So wherever you find the eyelashes is where you're going to find this, because I found this right next to the Allure eyelashes. But this is my number 14, and this is a must. When I'm done with this, I'm going to have to go get another one, because I'm like raving about this, because this product is amazing. If you're looking for a good brow pencil, ladies, men, go grab this, please. And my number 15 is the Infinite Aloe Vera Aloe Skincare Advanced Formula. It's fragrance free, number 1, which I like. And this is what the product looks like. I'm almost down. But my mom got a bunch of these. She got like a whole, like, it looked like an Oreo roll in plastic. A whole, probably 12, like a 12 pack. At Costco, it was probably like around $150. But this stuff is really, really good for the face. Aloe vera, anything is good for the face. If you're interested in this product, there is a 1-800 number on here. 1-800-LUV aloe. This is so good for the face. I would totally recommend this as well. It's helped my face. It's not thick. It's not over the top. It's just perfect, and it makes the face look so amazing. So this is the number 15. So that was my top 15 beauty products. I hope that you enjoyed this video. For future videos just like this, make sure that you thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. And this kiss is for you. Thank you. Bye.